Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has categorized Tesla as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.87. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows no change, remaining at a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock finds itself within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further decreases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 42.37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 52.15% to negative 39.40%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of about 51.58%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from 42.55% to 239.18% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $344.08 and $818.72. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Tesla Stock Price After Thursday Trading. The Tesla stock price decreased by approximately 0.07% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, falling from $241.55 to $241.38. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.8%, with a day low of $237.68 and a day high of $244.34. The stock has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of nearly 9.7% during this period. Notably, trading volume also fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with price movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 29 million shares with a total of 82 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $19.86 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $488.54, while the lowest price was $138.80. Currently, the stock price stands 50.59%, or $247.16, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is currently navigating a complex landscape that could significantly impact its stock price in both the short and long term. A proposed class action lawsuit alleges that Tesla has been manipulating odometers on its electric vehicles to expedite warranty expiration periods, raising concerns about the company's practices and potentially leading to reputational damage. Such legal challenges can create volatility around earnings reports, which are due next week, amid expectations of a decline in revenue and profits. Adding to the pressure, Tesla has introduced discounts of $10,000 on the Cybertruck as sales slow and inventory issues mount. Reports suggest that some production lines are operating at reduced capacity, indicating deeper production challenges. The upcoming first quarter earnings reveal is critical, with analysts predicting earnings per share to drop significantly, reflecting these challenges. Furthermore, with the broader technology sector under pressure, particularly from tightening U.S.-China trade relations, Tesla's stock could be affected by macroeconomic trends as well. Analysts have already revised price targets for Tesla downward, with Piper Sandler reducing its target from $450 to $400, signaling more cautious sentiment. In the long term, while the current challenges pose immediate bearish signals, Tesla's ability to innovate and capture new market segments could provide recovery catalysts if confidence returns. Investors will need to pay close attention to the upcoming earnings call, not just for financial metrics, but also for executive insights on future strategic initiatives. This balance of risk and potential reward will continue to shape the stock's trajectory in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Exane BNP Paribas assigned TSLA an underperform grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned TSLA an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned TSLA a reduced grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned TSLA a mixed grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that GLJ Research assigned TSLA a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen by 8.8%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, there have also been some negative signals, which may impact short-term developments. The Tesla stock is currently showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, we can expect some resistance at the levels of $252.33 and $255.55. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 48 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $239.43. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.66 between its high and low, which represents a 2.8% change. For the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 5.66%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. Nonetheless, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of April, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at $450,000. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $252.40. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $239.43. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is just sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of April 2025, Taneja Vaibhav executed an insider sale of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which provide the right to buy. On the same day, Taneja Vaibhav also conducted an insider purchase of 4,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 7th of April 2025, Taneja Vaibhav made another insider sale of 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March 2025, Murdoch James R. executed an insider purchase of 351,787 shares of common stock. On the same date, Murdoch James R. also carried out an insider sale of 54,776 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.330. In total, insiders acquired 887,105 shares and disposed of 1,328,251 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $231.44, reflecting a decrease of 4.12%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 7 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla exhibits several negative signals, making it appear to be a candidate for selling. However, due to the potential for a turnaround, it may be more prudent to consider it a hold or accumulation in this position while we await further developments. Consequently, we have revised our analysis from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements for the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we anticipate that Tesla will open lower by approximately 24 cents, beginning trading at $241.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the provided information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target price for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.